sklearn, cluster, WOTRI. Description. The WOTRI function in scikit-learn's cluster module implements a hierarchical clustering algorithm based on WOD's method. This method aims to minimize the variance within each cluster as it iteratively merges clusters. It's particularly useful for datasets where the cluster structure isn't well defined or where the number of clusters is unknown. Inputs. X. This input is a NumPy array or a sparse matrix representing your data. Each row corresponds to a data point, and each column represents a feature. Connectivity. This optional input defines the neighborhood structure of your data points. It's a 2D array where each row indicates the neighboring points of a given data point. If not provided, the algorithm assumes all points are connected. Full connectivity. Outputs. Children. This output is a 2D array where each row represents a merge step in the hierarchical clustering process. Each row contains two integers representing the indices of the clusters that were merged in that step. N samples. This output is a 1D array representing the number of data points in each cluster at the end of the hierarchical clustering process. N features. This output is a single integer representing the number of features in the input data, same as the number of columns in X. Feature names. This output, if X is a pandas data frame, will be a list of strings representing the names of the features in the input data. Steps. Initial state. The algorithm begins by treating each data point as an individual cluster. Distance calculation. At each step, the algorithm calculates the distance between all pairs of clusters. The distance is typically calculated using a linkage criterion, such as the WOD criterion in this case. Cluster merging. The algorithm then merges the two closest clusters based on the calculated distance. The merging process creates a new, larger cluster. Iteration. The process of distance calculation and cluster merging continues until all data points are grouped into a single cluster, forming the root of the dendrogram. Metrics. WOD criterion. The WOD criterion minimizes the variance within each cluster. This criterion measures the increase in within cluster variance that occurs when merging two clusters. Distance matrix. This matrix represents the pairwise distances between all clusters at each step of the algorithm. Visualization plots. Dendrogram. A dendrogram is a tree-like diagram that visually represents the hierarchical clustering process. Each leaf node represents a single data point, and the internal nodes represent the merged clusters. The height of the branches in the dendrogram reflects the distance between the clusters at the time of merging. Cluster map. A cluster map is a heat map-like visualization that combines both row and column clustering. It provides a comprehensive visual representation of the cluster structure of the data, showing both the relationships between data points and the relationships between features. Fine-tune parameters. Connectivity defines the neighborhood structure of the data points. You can use this to restrict the merging of clusters to only those that are neighbors in your data. Threshold. You can specify a threshold value to control the depth of the hierarchical clustering tree. Clusters with a distance less than the threshold will be merged. Uncertainty methods. Bootstrap aggregation. This method involves repeatedly resampling the data and applying the clustering algorithm to each resampled dataset. The final clustering result is then determined by aggregating the results from each run. This helps to assess the robustness of the clustering structure and identify clusters that are consistently found across multiple resamples. Silhouette analysis. The silhouette score measures how similar a data point is to its own cluster compared to other clusters. It can help assess the quality of the clustering by identifying data points that are poorly assigned to their clusters or clusters that are too tightly packed. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. High dimensionality of data can lead to computational challenges in distance calculations. Sample use case when dealing with datasets with hundreds or thousands of features. The time complexity of the algorithm increases significantly, making it impractical to run on standard hardware. Fixes. Feature reduction. Reduce the dimensionality of the data using methods like principal component analysis (PCA) or feature selection before applying the WORD algorithm. Sparse data. If your data is sparse, consider using efficient sparse data representations, e.g., SciPy sparse matrices to reduce computational cost. Challenge 2. The algorithm can be sensitive to outliers. Sample use case. Outliers can significantly affect the distance calculations and lead to the formation of incorrect clusters. Fixes. Outlier detection. Identify and remove outliers from the data using methods like Z-score or quantile-based outlier detection before applying the WORD algorithm. Robust distance measures. Use robust distance measures, such as Manhattan distance, which are less sensitive to outliers than Euclidean distance. Challenge 3. The choice of linkage criterion can influence the clustering structure. Sample use case. Different linkage criteria, like WORDs or single linkage, can lead to different cluster arrangements. Fixes. Experiment with different criteria. Experiment with different linkage criteria: WORD, single, complete, average to find the best fit for your data and analyze the resulting dendrograms.